Hey friends, it's Kevin here from Beaver Toyota with some really exciting news. Our Black Friday Silent Sale is on one more time, and this year it's bigger and better than ever. We have hundreds of vehicles that will be on sale for you to choose from, and here's how it works. Thanksgiving Day, there will be no salespeople, no managers, and no staff here. But what we will have is the gates open and hundreds of vehicles for you to choose and browse. Each one of those vehicles will be hang tagged with our silent sale prices. These prices will be the lowest we can ever sell that vehicle for. Find your vehicle, see your price, and be back Friday morning starting at 6 a.m. to be the first to purchase that vehicle at the lowest price. To top it off, the first 25 customers who purchase on Black Friday will receive their choice of a 55-inch TV or an Apple iPad. Because these prices are so low, we have to remove the hang tags and our super low prices by noon on Black Friday. So be here early. Even if you're not in the market for a vehicle, but know someone who is, I'm paying a $300 referral bonus for Black Friday only. Send me their name and number to schedule an appointment before Thursday, and if they purchase from us, I'll send you a check for $300. Last year, we sold 72 cars on Black Friday, and our customers got crazy deals, and we paid out thousands in referral fees. This sale is going to be huge. Don't miss it.